Hi there and welcome to this Boundless tutorial. I'm Carlota Ramos and today I'll be showing you how to get started with Boundless Automation. Let's take a look. We begin by signing into the Boundless dashboard where we're going to create a new Boundless workspace. We click on Create New Organization. And for this tutorial, we're going to create a new organization called Dummy Organization. And because we're based in Europe, we're going to select Europe as our hosting location. Let's click on Next. Once this is done, we now need to connect your new Boundless workspace to your Meraki organization so that it can synchronize with your infrastructure and use the Meraki APIs. We can do so by either clicking on the Quick Setup option that appears over here or by going to the dashboard, and on the left side of the screen you will have the option to go to Setup and then Meraki API. So either way it will work. In this case we're going to click on Quick Setup and then Next. Before we integrate the Meraki API key within Boundless, we first need to make sure that we have enabled the API key on the Meraki dashboard. If you want to know how to enable and generate your Meraki API key on the Meraki dashboard, we have created an instructional video just on that, so you can take a look to that. So now let's move ahead and enter our Meraki API key on the Boundless platform. We copy it, and as you can see here on the right side of the screen, there is a list of all the Meraki organizations that we have access to as an administrator. We select the organization that we want to import, so let's click on one of them. And Boundless will automatically import the whole network infrastructure into the Boundless platform. So by using the Meraki API, the Boundless platform has automatically collected and imported all the Meraki infrastructure, so this includes the networks, the devices, and also the tags. So now that it's finished, the Boundless dashboard is fully connected to your Meraki account, so you can start managing your Meraki infrastructure directly from the Boundless dashboard. And that's it. Now you're ready to start using Boundless Automation. So go ahead and test around the different workflows and automations that we have prepared for you.